Alright, so my name is Stephane and Chenard.
I'm Brendan Samek.
We're both from Piezoelectric, Alberta, and we attend Glenmary High School.
And so what our project is growing and testing piezoelectric crystals and the end goal of creating a piezoelectric cup.
So what we did, we believe that these crystals, the weight of the crystals will be directly related to the voltage they produce, and the force will also be directly related to the voltage they produce. So we had to start by growing the crystals. So we made the crystals, you suspend cream of tartar and simmer it, then you add sodium carbonate. It'll react, and once it stops reacting, it'll turn clear. You'll leave it overnight, and small seed crystals will form in the solution, which will then you pick out and separate among several beakers and put the solution in each beaker and leave them for between 8 to 16 days, and they'll grow to something about that size.
And so to test the crystals, we sandwiched the crystals between two sheets of aluminum foil and attached that aluminum foil to an oscilloscope. And then we dropped a weight from a set distance, energy of 32 or 70 joules, and you can see that we're getting 3 to 20 volts per crystal.
So where we're going with this is we're trying to build a tile. So this would be a cross section of a 12 by 12 tile that will be implemented under floors of heavy traffic areas such as airports, malls, university hallways. So when the force exerted from people stepping on it will push on the crystals and make electricity for low current LEDs in the building, or LED lighting in the building.
All right, guys, what excites you most about science?
I don't know, I think it's kind of just like exploring. I mean, we didn't know much about this before we started, and now we're kind of, I wouldn't say experts, but we know a lot more, and just kind of the learning curve to it that comes with experimenting with this stuff.
Perfect. And you, what excites you about science?
It's definitely the learning part and overcoming different challenges that you face while experimenting.
What do you think would help youth science education?
I think really more exciting classes, and for smarter, like people who aren't challenged in the class, to have more difficult things to do.
Perfect. And for you, what do you think would help youth science education?
I think events like this really do help because it promotes kind of awareness about how many people actually enjoy stuff like this. And these events like this, if people take them seriously and come in here and read projects, they can really learn a lot and educate themselves from all the experts and all their projects around here.